Cinnamon Toast Crunchy
And
Bear.
I like the
win for us.
texture. It reminds me of that bird skeleton I stole from the Natural History Museum. All right, bye, daddies.
Wow. Congratulations.
Unfair
I can't
catch.
argue with Randy. I think he's great. I can't in every way. Alex? You heard the man.
Oh no.
Okay, final round. We've got Cinnamon
Oh
Toast Crunch
please,
versus
Cinnamon
Frosted
Toast Crunch
Mini Wheats
better
then.
win for
It
us.
slipped
Guys.
on
Cinnamon Toast
by.
Crunch is
Yes,
rocking.
Randy.
I'm starting to hate your.
True.
I'm starting to think
I
you hate your
frequently
own
eat
company
cinnamon
right now. I like
toast
Tony the Tiger.
with sugar on it
Snapchat
as
one
of a
problem.
morning.
This.
If I came to you
I
and
enjoy
said,
that.
What the?
I could take cinnamon
This?
toast that's this big and make it little teeny tiny and put it in milk, wouldn't that excite you?
There's no denying the fact that Cinnamon Toast Crunch is an amazing cereal. Well, here's the thing. I am willing
What?
to acknowledge
Okay, that's it.
That-
This is where I draw the line.
this is special to me, but might be odd to a lot of people.
No.
But this
That's growth.
is special to so many more people, including me. So I don't
Oh,
want to
God,
force
please.
myself.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
So you're saying that
We
cinnamon
get it,
toast
Kool-Aid
crunch
Man,
is
we
winning
get
the
it, we
sugary
get it.
region?
As much as it
Oh
pains me.
yeah!
Yes.
We
There you
get
have
it,
the
Chief.
winner
Guys.
of the sugary region.
Phew,
The number
anyways.
one seed.
Oh my God, we're doing.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now make sure you come back tomorrow. We're going to determine a winner from our region of healthy cereals.
Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
You know what time it is.
Yep. Make a video.